This video will introduce how to factory reset iPhone without iTunes in several simple methods. Part 1. How to factory reset iPhone without iTunes. Learn 4 ways to reset an iPhone without iTunes, including solutions for locked or disabled devices. Always back up your iPhone first to prevent data loss. Way 1. How to reset iPhone to factory settings without iTunes via Settings. Step 1. On iPhone, go to Settings General, scroll down to select Reset. Step 2. Select Erase all content and settings, enter Apple ID and password on the pop-up screen to verify. Step 3. Tap Erase iPhone on the warning screen to begin to factory reset your iPhone. Way 2. How to factory reset iPhone without iTunes via Coolmuster iOS Eraser Unrecoverable. If you want to completely erase all data on your iPhone, Coolmuster iOS Eraser is the best software to reset iPhone without iTunes. It not only deletes all data, but also protects your privacy by preventing data recovery. Step 1. Install and launch the program, then connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Once the device is connected successfully, the main interface will appear, allowing you to begin the data erasure process. Step 2. Click the Erase button on the main interface. Choose your preferred security level for erasure: low, medium, or high. Confirm your selection by clicking OK. Step 3. Enter Delete in the confirmation field and click the Erase button. Confirm your decision to permanently delete the data by clicking OK when prompted. Step 4. After a brief scan, the program will start erasing the data from your device. Once the process is complete, all data on your phone will be permanently deleted and irretrievable. You can then proceed to set up your iPhone. Way 3. How to restore iPhone to factory settings without iTunes using Finder. If you are a Mac user with a MacBook running macOS Catalina, you can directly use Finder to restore your iPhone to factory settings without iTunes. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your Mac. Step 2. Open Finder and locate your device in the sidebar. Step 3. Select Restore iPhone and follow the on-screen instructions to reset your device to factory settings. Way 4. How to factory reset locked iPhone without iTunes via iCloud. If you had activated the Find My iPhone feature on your iPhone before it was locked, you can remotely reset your iPhone to factory settings without iTunes using iCloud. Step 1. Open the iCloud official website via a browser on your computer and log into iCloud with the Apple ID and password you used on a locked iPhone. Step 2. Select Find My iPhone all devices and click your disabled iPhone, tap Erase iPhone. Step 3. After that, your disabled iPhone will recover to factory status without a screen lock, and you will also lose all iPhone data and settings. Part 2. How to hard reset iPhone without iTunes. A hard reset force restart simply reboots an iPhone without deleting data, while a factory reset erases all content and settings. Although often confused, they serve different purposes. For iPhone 8, X, XS, XR, 11, and 12, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold both the side and volume down buttons simultaneously. Release them when the Apple logo appears on the screen. For iPhone 5, SE, and iPhone 6 seconds, press and hold both the side and home buttons at the same time. Release them once the Apple logo appears.